When we create parts, assemblies, and drawings in Solidworks, we make use of planes, axes, dimensions, geometric relations, sketches, and lots more. It becomes very difficult to work in the Solidworks environment when all these are showing. Therefore, it is necessary to know how to hide or show them. In this lesson, I will show you how to hide and show planes, sketch, axes, and a whole lot of other things that you can hide in SolidWorks. If I go ahead and show some of the planes in my SolidWorks assembly, now assuming we have tens of hundreds of planes showing in my SolidWorks assembly and I want to turn them off, I can do that by going to the heads up toolbar, hide or show items, view planes. From here you can hide or show other items such as the view axis, the temporary axis, sketches, dimensions, relations, 3D sketch plane, and many others. If I right click here, you will see that it's showing but it's not visible. If I come back here and turn it back on, it will show. I can also hide the individual planes from here. If I open this part in the part environment, I can hide or show the view axis and the temporary axis. As you can see, the view axis and the temporary axis is showing. I can also turn it off. There are some important hide or show options. We have the hide or show sketches. We have that of dimensions and that of relations. These ones are important and you'll be working with it frequently. If I go over to this place and edit the sketch for this part, the green items here are the geometric relations. I'll discuss about that in details in future lessons. Assuming you have a very busy sketch, there will be so many geometric relations all over your sketch and you might need to turn them off. To turn off the relations, go to the hide or show drop down menu and hide it from here. As you can see, the relations are now hidden. You can go back and turn it on. You can also hide or show the dimensions in your sketch in case you have so many dimensions. To do that, go to the hide or show drop down menu and turn off the view sketch dimensions. Now I'll turn it back on. Supposing I come over here and make my sketch to show in the part level. Now if we go over to the assembly level, you notice that everything is fine, but the sketch is showing. This sketch is from the part level. To hide this sketch, I'll go over to my hide or show items and turn off the sketch. To hide all the hide or show items all together, go to your menu bar, click on view, hide or show, and activate hide all types. Now if I go to my hide or show drop down menu, you notice that all the hide or show items here are grayed out. You cannot toggle on or off right now. And if I come over here and say show this plane, it will not show. But if I come back and deactivate it, now you can toggle on and off. You can also hide all the hide or show items by clicking on this directly on this icon here, hide all types. Instead of clicking on the drop down arrow, click on the icon here to hide all types. As you can see, they are all grayed out. And you can quickly deactivate it by clicking on that icon again. There are so many hide or show options over here that you can play with. But the most important ones that you work with are the view planes, the view axis, the temporary axis. You come over here, we have the view sketch dimensions, we have the view sketches, and the view sketch relations. These are the most important ones.